Unlocking the wisdom of frugality, minding the pennies. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's all about the importance of small savings, minding the pennies. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. We'll unpack the meaning, origin, and how you can use this phrase in your daily life. So, let's get started. Minding the pennies is an idiomatic expression suggesting that by paying attention to small amounts of money, you can save a significant amount over time. It's based on the idea that even the smallest savings can add up, leading to financial security. The phrase encourages frugality, careful spending, and awareness of the little expenses that can otherwise go unnoticed. While the exact origin of minding the pennies is a bit murky, it's widely believed to be rooted in older financial wisdom that emphasizes the value of small savings. Similar sayings exist in many cultures, reflecting the universal truth that attention to minor details can lead to greater wealth and stability. It aligns with the proverb, "Look after the pennies, and the pounds will look after themselves," commonly used in the UK, highlighting the same principle of careful financial management. 1. Budgeting. When planning your monthly budget, consider every small expense. This practice can help you identify unnecessary expenditures. 2. Shopping. Be mindful of small savings opportunities, like discounts or coupons, which can reduce overall spending. 3. Saving. Adopt a habit of setting aside even the smallest amount of money regularly. Over time, these small savings can grow into a considerable sum. 4. Investing in the future. Understanding that saving small amounts can significantly impact your financial future, encouraging investments, even minimal, in long-term savings accounts or retirement plans. Even though it's just a few dollars saved by skipping my morning coffee, by minding the pennies, I've managed to save enough for a small vacation. She always insists on minding the pennies, making sure not a single coupon goes to waste. By minding the pennies when grocery shopping, they were able to cut their monthly expenses significantly. And there you have it, the essence of minding the pennies. It's a reminder that no amount is too small to save and that being mindful of the little things can lead to big rewards. We hope this video helps you in your journey to mastering English idioms and enriching your vocabulary. Remember, it's the small habits that can lead to big changes. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.